Hey, what's up guys? Garrett Walker here with liveanabolic.com. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get rid of chest fat at home. Okay, but I'm gonna show you the actual exercises you can do. You still have to clean up your diet if you've got a lot of chest fat, but we're not gonna discuss that now. I'm gonna assume that you're already focusing on your diet, you're cleaning it up, and you still have some chest fat that just will not go away. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna give you some chest exercises, and you're gonna superset each chest exercise with a metabolic boosting exercise, and you're gonna wanna do this in a circuit fashion. All right, and this is something that you can do a couple times a week. Add it to your weekly routines, and it's gonna help eliminate that chest fat a little bit quicker. So that being said, the first exercise we're gonna do is an archer push-up. Archer push-ups, you're going a little bit wider, your hands are pointed out, and you're gonna go all the way to one side, push up, other side. You're gonna do 10 with each one, 10 each side. All right, after these, you're gonna superset this with 30 mountain climbers. Sixteen, 17. All right, that's gonna be your first group. You're gonna rest 15 seconds, and we're gonna get into our second. Get a good breath, get archer push-ups, 30 mountain climbers, and then you're gonna do standard push-ups. You're gonna do 20 standard push-ups. You're gonna superset these with side to side mountain climbers. .30 there. Good breath, 15 seconds. All of these are designed to keep tension on your chest as well. All right, 15 seconds. Then you're gonna do medicine ball crossover push-ups. If you don't have a medicine ball, like I said, you can do this at home. Use a stack of books. Something about this tall, a single stack of something that you can put one hand on. All right, basically what you're gonna do here, push up, center. One more. All right. Then you're gonna do mountain climbers, the medicine ball. Okay. As you can tell, out of breath. It's actually pretty tough. Very little breathing. And you're constantly squeezing your chest. So really good group of exercises. Again, you're gonna feel constant tension in your chest. That's the goal. Tightening up and working the chest along with supersetting metabolic boosters. As you can tell, it kicked my butt. But the 2 rounds of this, after the first, rest about 60 seconds, get a second round in, and then you're done. 2 times a week, Monday and Thursday, something like that. Add it to your routine, you'll start tightening up that chest. But all right guys, give it a shot. Comment below, let me know what you think about it. But all right guys, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.